Keep the profits rolling in with these affiliate tips. How often have you used a computer just to purchase something? Most likely, you helped make an affiliate marketer some extra cash. After you have made yourself successful and are generating good amounts of money, ask for an increase in your earnings. If you have shown to generate lots of sales and are a good marketer, the program will be more inclined to give you more money in order to keep you on as an affiliate. Only choose to work with companies that offer current statistics. You want to be able to keep up with all the methods being used to bring in sales. Data that is out of date may not give you the accurate information you need to adjust your methods to the ones your customers use the most. Remember that as an affiliate, it is only your job to drive someone to a company's product. It is not your job to sell the product. If you attempt to sell the product and advertise it at the same time, you may end up losing more commissions than you gain. Allow the company to do the selling. Affiliate programs that offering subscriptions to customers are a great passive income. You can continue to make money for as long as the customer is signed up for the subscription. Read the fine print of your contract though, as some companies will only pay you for the initial purchase and not for the recurring profit. To gain the trust of readers you are marketing to, only promote quality products. When a reader sees you promoting products known to be good, they will find it easier to believe what you say about products they're unfamiliar with. Promoting quality products will also encourage readers to listen to your opinion in the future. As long as you can understand how affiliate marketing works and take the steps necessary to drive people to products, you can use this information to your advantage and build a legitimate business. It might not be the easiest thing you've ever done, but it very well could be the most lucrative. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.